Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to 10th class social. Myself Reshma Sultana, teacher of United Public School, Tandu. In the last session, we have started the fourth chapter, that is Climate of India. How do you remember? In the last session, we have started the chapter 4, that is Climate of India. In that, we have completed about the climate and weather. What is the meaning of climate and weather? We have completed in the last session. Today, we are going to start the next topic, that is factors influencing climate and weather. What are the factors for influencing the climate and weather? See here, it has been observed that for some places, that is example Chennai, there is not much difference in the temperature across months. What they are saying, it has been observed. What they have observed in some places, that example Chennai, they have taken the example of Chennai, there is not much difference in the temperature across for the months. Okay. Some places, example Delhi, have wide differences in temperature across the months. See here, there is no difference of temperature across the months in Chennai, and there is a wide difference in the temperature in Delhi. Okay. India experiences wide variations in temperature. In India, there are some states, there are so many variations in terms of temperature. Okay. The northern portion is bound by the Himalayas, whereas southern peninsula is surrounded by the seas. See here, the northern portion of the Himalayas is bound by the Himalayas, whereas the southern peninsula is surrounded by the seas. Okay. Some places as far from the coast, they are inland. Some places are at high altitude, whereas others are on the plains. See here, in India, the temperature is not permanent. There are more variations of climate and temperature according to the season. Okay. See here, in some places there is high altitude, and in some places there are plains. Okay. The factors that affect climate are called climate controls. For that, we have the effect which we are seeing is called the climate controls. Is called climate control. Okay. These includes in the climate controls. What they include? See here. First one is latitude, second is land water relationship, and third one is relief, and fourth one is upper air circulation. These are four include in the climate controls. So we will see first one today, that is latitude. Latitude or distance from the equator. We can say it is distance from the equator, so we can say this also. Okay. The average temperatures for the year drops as you go further away from the equator. For this reason, we divide the regions on earth as, see here, the average temperature of the year drops and further away from the equator. This is far away from the equator. So for these reasons, the regions are divided into three. That is, first one is tropical, as those close to the equator. First one is the tropical, which is close to the equator, and second one is polar, as those close to the poles. Poles, the two poles you have. I hope you all of you know, that is North Pole and South Pole. Okay. Temperature as those in between the two extremes. Okay. If we compare the climate of, say, Indonesia and Japan, we can understand the differences. See, if we compare both the Indonesia and Japan, we can understand the differences between those two. Okay. The reason for their difference is the differential heating on earth that you read in the earlier classes. In the earlier classes, you have read that about the climate, about the heating of the earth. Okay. Intensity of temperature depends on the latitude. Intensity of temperature, which depends on what? Depends on latitude. The temperature of the atmosphere at a particular place near to the earth's surface depends upon the insolation, that is heat from the sun rays received at the location. This is more intense in the low latitudes than in the high latitudes. Okay. See here, what I have here written, the temperature of the atmosphere at a particular place to the near earth's surface depends upon what? Insolation, that is heat from the sun rays received at the location. This is more intense in the low latitudes and then in the high latitudes. Okay. As we move away from the equator, if we move away from the equator, then what happens? See here, towards poles, where we have to move away from the equator towards poles, the average annual temperature decreases. Okay. See, in this here, there is a North Pole and South Pole. This is sun rays, and this is Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, and this is the middle line is the equator. Okay. In India, the southern part lies in the tropical belt close to the equator. See here, this is the North Pole, South Pole. This is therefore this region has higher average temperature than the northern part. This is one reason for the climate of Kanyakumari being entirely different from the Bhopal or Delhi. See why the climate of the Kanyakumari is entirely different from the Bhopal or Delhi, because this region has a higher average temperature in the northern part. So that's why this is the climate of the Kanyakumari is entirely different from the Bhopal or Delhi. Okay. India is situated roughly between 8 degree and 37 degree north latitudes, and the country is divided into almost 2 equal parts by the Tropic of Cancer. So that's why the country has divided into 2 equal parts by the Tropic of Cancer. Here, see here. Okay. This the part is on the south of the Tropic of Cancer lies in the tropical zone. This part is on the north of the Tropic of Cancer lies in the temperature zone. See here. I told you now only. So the country has divided into 2 equal parts by the Tropic of Cancer. The part that is on the south pole, so that is of the Tropic of Cancer, lies on the tropical zone. This is lies in the tropical zone. The part that is on the north of the Tropic of Cancer lies on the temperature zone. See here, there is a difference between these two. You have to keep in mind this. Okay. By this first we have latitudes we have completed. In the next video we will continue land water relationship. Okay. I hope you all understood this. If you have any doubts, they can contact me. I will clarify the doubt. Okay. Now there is a assignment. See here. Assignment is third question. Write a short note on factors influencing climate variations in hilly areas and deserts. Okay. This third question you have to write as an assignment and send it to me. We will meet in the next class. Thank you. Okay.